Hi everyone. Today I'll create the fourth part of the screw jar, that is cup design. So this is a front view, front cross-sectional view. This is a top view of the cup. Just I'll create this part, then I'll give the shaft command in order to get the what? The cup. So the dimensions are given here. So it is the total bottom diameter is 45. Here to here this diameter is 38. The distance between these two lines is 6. The total height is 45 and this height is 12, and this is a slot of 5 mm radius, and the hole is having a diameter of 12.5. The outer diameter of this outer diameter will be 65. So just I'll create this part. Open the CATIA, go to the mechanical design. Under mechanical design, part design, I'll name it as a cup. I'll select a plane. I'll select this plane, YZ plane. I'll go for the sketch. Just I'll draw this profile. I'll go for the profile command. Just I'll do the dimensioning of this part. From here to here it is. See here, half of 22.5. 22.5 divided by 2. Next one is height is 42. From here to here it is 42. Just I'll drag this. Okay. Next, this distance is 12 mm. From here to here it is 12 mm. Next, this distance is 6 mm. So what I do before this, it is taking angle, so I'll choose this line and this line, then I'll make it as a parallel, then I'll go for the dimensioning. This is 6 mm. Next dimension is from the center to this is half of 38. Center to this is half of 38. Next, this outer diameter is from here to here it is 65. This outer diameter. So from here to here it is 1/2 of 65. So from here to here it is 1/2 of 65. So let me check all the dimensions. 1/2 of 22.5, 11.25, 60, 32.5, 12, 42, this is 42, 6 mm. Next, this is 19. 1/2 of 38 is 19. So I'll create this slot later. So I'll exit from the workbench. I'll go for the shaft command. I'll choose the axis, enter 360-degree angle. So this is a curve. Now I need to create this semicircular slot. What I do, I'll take a circle of diameter 10 mm. Then I'll give the cutout command. So I'll select the plane first. Go for the sketch mode. Take the circle. Just I'll move the cursor so that our circle should lie on this axis line. Give the dimension. The diameter of this is, radius is 5, so diameter will be 10 mm. Next, what I do, I'll use one more command that is called as a project 3D elements. So I want to project these lines, this line. Then I'll select the center of this circle and this line. Then I'll give the constraint. Constraint is a coincide, so that the center of that one, this circle will come and sit on this line. Then I'll go for the trim the extra portion, this and this. Then I'll exit from the command workbench. Then I'll go for the cutout. Reverse direction. Second limit I'll go for up to next. Sorry, not this one. Once again I'll go for the cutout. Select up to next, go for preview. So I got the slot. Next, see here, two more. See, total 4 slots are there. I'll go for angular pattern. I'll select this pocket. I'll go for circular pattern. I want 2 instances at an angle of 90 degree, exactly 90 degrees. See here, these two are exactly at 90 degree. These here, these 2 slots and these 2 slots are exactly at 90 degree. So choose the angular spacing is 90 degree. I want 2 instances. Then a reference element, select, click on this, select the reference element, go for preview. Finally, I have created a total 4 slots. So this is a 3D model of the cup.